Hiya, right, it's always nice to get to Friday night, innit? Another week behind me and another weekend to look forward to in my shed. So I thought I'd come out and do a little Friday night after work project. I put this cupboard up a couple of weeks ago for my brazing gear and stuff like that. But this metal shop that I'm working in, it's actually quite small, so I've just measured it. It's 6.5 foot that way and I've got 4.5 foot that way. I can open the garage door, which makes it look a little bit bigger when I'm working in it. So it's only small, it's compact, but it does the job. But as always, it's nice to keep things in the place and tidy and neat when I can get to them. So I think what I've got, I'm gonna make some storage for the inside of this cupboard door. And what will make it nice and easy today is this cupboard door actually comes off, so it's going to be easy for me to work on it. Right, what I want to do, I bought these chisels the other day. I caved in. I went to Lidl, or is it Aldi? Work Zone, I don't know, I think it's Aldi. And I went to get a welding mask, which I got, and I'm going to do a video on it at some point. But they had these files there, and they were £3.75 for 3 files, so basically just over £1 each. So I thought, well, I'll try them, and I did. I tried them last week. I made a wedding ring. I made this wedding ring out of them, and they work brilliantly, and really comfy handle as well. Yeah, for what it's worth, I could recommend them at £3.75. So what I want to do, I want to hang them on the inside of this door like this, and I had 3 others as well. I've got some old files, but these, you know, these rubber handles, they're comfy, they're nice, so I'm going to use these. So I'm thinking sort of setting them out like that. I'll put them 2 inch apart. That should look about right. So I'm just going to mark 2 inch down, 2 inch in.
The simplest of channels, no fancy tools or skill, no apprenticeship or training, just elbow grease and will. My wages mostly went on tools, and I'd mismatch a gear. Bought second hand across the land, wasted the rest on beer. Never went on fancy courses, didn't see the point. Got by with pigeon welding, never made a dovetail joint. You might see rough edges the closer that you look. When criticized, I say that I went for the rustic look. Got no time for parts jobs, I still call out dog rough. Searching for that sweet spot, no fun if it's too tough. A certain satisfaction working off the cuff. I don't need perfection, I just need good enough. My style's not for everyone, most won't be impressed. I swap looks for function, no claims to be the best. Working on worn out stuff is what I do for fun. Fast forward this bit if you'd like to see what they become. Like Milwaukee and Parkside, they both have their place. Skoda or Mercedes, but this is not a race. Da Vinci or a Lowry, both easily a 10. I like the Mona Lisa and love the matchstick men. Nobody likes a botch job, I still call out dog rough. But there's always a sweet spot, no fun if it's too tough. Certain satisfaction working off the cuff. I don't need perfection, I just need good enough.
There you go, a nice small little after work job that cost nothing and probably took about an hour. Right, I've actually got something else to show you today. Now, I've never done this before, mainly because I've never been sent out before, but somebody sent me this and got in touch with me and said, did I want to look at one of their products. They offered to send me a couple of stuff, but I wasn't really interested because they don't really fit my channel. But this particular thing does fit my channel because I've got one of these anyway. So and what it is, it's one of these stove fans. They actually sent me two, so I'm going to do a giveaway. I'm going to give somebody one of these. I'll let you know how to enter in a minute. Let's open it and have a look. Heat powered stove fan, and that's the model TK 150L 6 blade. Well, there's no assembly to it anyway, so that's easy. So it comes with instructions. There's another little thing here. Oh, looks like a temperature controller. Or temperature indicator, should I say. I've just had a quick read at instructions. Heat power stove fan, operating temperature range, handling stove and safety instructions. It's all in here anyway. Something I didn't know, I've had one of these for 4 years and they're pretty good, but I've got it in my man cave on my wood burner, so I'm not going to put this in there. I'm going to put this in my house. I've got a similar sort of stove in my house, but it's a gas one. The placement of the fan is actually important, and I didn't know that. The one I use in my man cave, I've put this right in front of the flue, but apparently this goes, you've got your flue here, and this goes at the side, so it draws cold air up from the back and blows that out and circulates the air that way. I didn't know that. Anyway, I'll show you it working. There's a little handle on there so you can pick it up and move it. You don't want to be touching this because it does get very hot. And this, I'm thinking, is just a temperature gauge that sits on top of your stove as well, and that'll tell you what temperature your stove's running at. Right, we'll go try it. It's the first time I've had this fire on all year. So I put the stove fan right at the back there, like it says. Well, that's been on not even a minute. That you can tell because the flames haven't even gone the funny colour, and it's spinning already. This temperature gauge has got a little handle on it as well, and it's magnetic. I don't know if that goes on the top or the side. I'll put it on the side. It's quite, I don't want it on top. Yeah, that's all right. I can feel it from there. So what this does, it circulates air around your room and keeps it warmer. No batteries, don't cost anything. You'd be producing that heat anyway with your fire, and the fan just circulates the air. So yeah, I should mention incidentally that I'm first time I've ever excuse me, first time I've ever done this. I'm certainly not getting paid for it or anything like that. If I can find the link for it, I'll stick it in the comments below, in the description below. I think they're about £20, but there is a 15% off code, so you know it's going to work out about 17 quid. What else? Yeah, I've got one more to give away, which is here. So if anybody wants to win this stove fan, if you just all you need to do is make a comment. Just stick stove fan in the comment, and then whatever else you want to say, or even if you don't want to comment at all, just stick stove fan, and then in about 2 weeks at the end of October I'll well, when the views die down, probably next week or week after, I'll randomly pick a winner and I'll send this out to you. Never done this before, as you can tell. I wasn't even prepared for it. Is there what else I need to say? I'm not getting paid for it. I'm not getting an affiliate link. I've just got a free fan out of it. Right, stove fan in the comments if you want to win it, and I'll send it out to you. Thanks for watching. Cheers. Bye.
Working off the cuff. I don't need perfection, I just need good enough.